This is stateroom 8031, and this is an inside stateroom with just one bathroom, so you don't get the split bathroom. But as you can tell, it's actually quite spacious. Disney actually has some of the biggest staterooms in the industry, which is really nice. So even if you're getting an inside stateroom, you're still getting tons of space. This stateroom is Brave themed, and I don't know if you can tell by this mural. It is absolutely gorgeous. And it has flecks of gold. It is just beautiful. And these beds, you guys, are the comfiest beds ever. I wish I could just transfer this bed to my house. Right next to the bed is the TV. And then over here is the vanity. So somebody can be getting ready. And then right over here is another bed. This is a couch, and then the stateroom attendant will come in the evening and turn it into a bed while you're off at dinner. And look at this beautiful Brave artwork. If you are interested in getting a split bathroom, which I'm telling you they're really nice, then you are going to need to upgrade a category to get that split bathroom, but it may be worth it for your family. Now let's go take a peek at the bathroom. So as I mentioned, this isn't a split bathroom. So you have just one bathroom. You have a lovely shower. It's quite large, which is really nice for tall people. And then you have a vanity right here with the toilet. I want to thank you guys for taking the time to watch this inside stateroom. This is an absolutely gorgeous cabin. And if you are interested in booking this cabin, make sure to contact me. My name is Jamie. I'm a travel agent specializing in Disney vacations. And when you book with me, I offer up to $1,000 in onboard credit for your Disney cruise. And that's just fun money for you to spend on the ship. So my email is jamiethomasshow@gmail.com, or you can contact me through the website www.clickthemouse.ca/Jamie. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.